Alright, what's up y'all? So if you're looking to improve your mood, increase your energy during the day, and sleep better at night, what I'm about to share with you is crucial, and you can start doing it right away. So I'm going to tell you what to do, and then if you stick around, I'll give you a little bit of the why behind it. So your goal is to get early morning natural light into your eyes as soon as possible. Now, if you wake up before the sun comes up, you still want to get some brightness, even if it's artificial. So you're going to want to turn on your lights and brighten your experience up. And then as soon as the sun comes up, get your butt outside and get some unfiltered light into your eyes. That means no glasses, no sunglasses. And it doesn't mean you have to stare into the sun. You just need to be in the presence of brightness, maybe staring off into the distance. And by the way, overcast, cloud-covered days, totally cool. Now what's ideal is to be present for the transition of the light shift from twilight to sunrise. But even if you get out there and just get some natural light in your eyes as soon as the sun comes up, that's great. And you're looking for about 5 to 10 minutes worth. Now, if you wake up after the sun comes up, immediately open your blinds and get outside and get some natural light into your eyes. Again, we're looking for 5 to 10 minutes. Now, pro tip. This is a great habit to have it stack with other things that you need to be doing in the morning anyways, such as your morning walk or your morning personal quiet time, because you're still getting some brightness and intensity that's beyond what you would get from artificial light. Now here's why. Literally for billions of years, every organism on the planet has been entrained with the rising and setting of the sun. And for humans in particular, our activity patterns, our sleep patterns, our eating patterns, our hormonal secretions, our brain activity, our cellular repair, regeneration, all of it is based on this 24-hour cycle that we call circadian rhythm. Now what's optimal is being awake during the day, experiencing brightness from natural light during the day, and then as the sun goes down and you get closer to your bedtime, then you minimize your stimulus and you minimize your brightness. And the morning light in particular does a few things. It's going to help anchor your morning cortisol secretion. So you should notice when you're consistent with your bedtime and rise time that your body starts to get into a habit of it and you start to wake up before an alarm. You start to wake up at the same time every freaking day. That's a good thing. And part of the reason you're waking up is your body is secreting some cortisol to get the show going. And so when you get early morning brightness, early morning natural light, that anchors that morning cortisol secretion. That's when you want to have this cortisol secretion. Because if you delay the cortisol secretion, it's going to lead to restlessness and sleeplessness. So this early morning light anchors your cortisol secretion in the morning. It also energizes you for the day. It makes you feel good. And it also dictates your evening melatonin secretion. So this early morning light cues the body to create melatonin, but it holds on to it and stores it for about 14 to 16 hours later. Isn't that fascinating? And then this is going to improve your quality of sleep. But just like with many things that we've talked about, consistency is key. So being consistent with your bed and rise time and being consistent with getting early morning natural light into your eyes as soon as possible. Questions, comments, feedback, snide remarks, send it my way. Keep it real.